Hey everyone, this is Ryan from Foxtecc. Today, let's go over how to take a photo that was shot in portrait mode and convert it to landscape mode on your iPhone. Now, just a heads up, this is a bit tricky and does involve some compromises. If you think about it, changing a vertical image to a horizontal one either cuts out a lot of detail or requires filling in new information somehow. But let's walk through a few ways you can make this work. To get started, open up the Photos app on your iPhone and find the portrait photo you want to change. Once you have it, tap Edit in the top right corner to enter editing mode. At the bottom, look for the crop icon, a square with arrows around it, and tap it. This tool is where you'll have the main options for adjusting the orientation. One option is to simply rotate the image. You can do this by tapping the Rotate button, which looks like a curved arrow, until the image displays in landscape orientation. Technically, this gets you a horizontal view, but it also means that your subject will be rotated sideways. Depending on the photo, this might work, or it might look a little odd. If rotating doesn't quite do it for you, there's another approach. Instead of rotating, try dragging the corners of the crop box to reshape the photo into a horizontal layout. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this will cause you to lose parts of the photo. Specifically, you'll be cropping out sections at the top and bottom. So you'll need to decide if the remaining details look good enough for what you need. Once you're happy with the look, just tap Done to save your changes, and the photo will now display in landscape mode in your gallery. Now, there is another approach with all the AI tools available today. Some apps can actually generate new pixels to fill in the areas you're missing. While it's not recreating reality, generative fill options are out there, so feel free to look into that if you're curious about getting a more complete landscape version. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips like this. See you later.